versus abstract class. Everyone, can you hear me? Concrete class. Can you hear me? My voice and audio. Screen. Radhika, can you hear me? Yes, yes. So now here, so today the topic is interface versus abstract class versus all this story means. Sir, we need to discuss about WebDriver program. Okay. So yesterday I opened that documentation for you everyone. Where it is available, go to the Google. Here, go to the Selenium API documentation. Sir, here left side packages are available, and here classes, interfaces, are methods. Sir, first package is check it org.openqr.selenium. This is the package name. Here observe packages. What is a package? Already you know. The collection of classes are called as a one package. Sir, in this package, what we want required, click on this org.openqr. Sir, WebDriver is one of the interface. That's why whenever you can go to any interface, they will ask what is a WebDriver interface. Now, what is an interface? What is abstract class? Is it possible to create object for the interfaces and all those things? That's why I am explaining this concept today. So whenever go to WebDriver commands are there. I will use this list. 13 commands are available there here. So see here, WebDriver is one of the interface available in this package org.openqr.selenium. And whatever the commands are available there, these are all the commands. These are all the close is one command, find element is one command, second one, find elements is one type of command, get is a one command available there, get current URL, get page source, get title, get pinned handle, get pinned handles, manage. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Two more are there. Switch to. Okay, after navigate, see scroll down. Quit and switch to. Totally 13 commands are available there. So first of all, what is an interface? What is an abstract class? What is the concrete class? So first of all, interface. Okay, sir, what is a interface concept first? So assume I will give one small scenario. Okay, what is interface means? I don't know anything about implementation. Just declaration is available there. I don't know anything about the implementation. I know only declaration. Then I can go for this interface concept. Example, assume. So I want to construct a 10 floors building. How many floors? Sir, for this 10 floors, there is one plan, SRS documentation. Software documentation is there. Sir, this SRS is nothing interface because in talks about implementation, only declaration is available there. Here you can inquire about the course, testing, manual Selenium course. durgasoft will share your course content. There is any implementation is there, nothing declaration is available there in the course content. But implemented in the durgasoft, me, I am implementing, Ravikant is implementing. But the implementation is different ways. Users are there. My way of teaching is the different. Ravikant teaching is the different. Srinivas teaching is the different. But course is same only, same like that. Sir, here how many floors of the building? 10 floors of the building. You should concentrate very carefully. Sir, here I am selected. I want to construct into two areas. One is in Bangalore, one is in the Hyderabad. Bangalore and another building is in Hyderabad. Plan is same only. Okay, I selected two engineers. In Bangalore, one engineer is selected. I am given my plan. I am given money. Implement the building. 10 floors building. I am given full cash and everything. So I selected one of the engineer. The engineer's name is Sunny. So in Hyderabad also, I selected one engineer to implement my building. One. So same plan given to the two members, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Plan is same only, but implementation is different ways. Sir, whenever Hyderabad is done, sir, he completed all the 10 floors. Completed all the 10 floors. 10 floors are ready. So we are ready to occupy. But sir, in the Bangalore, Sunny is completed only 9 floors only. After that, he hands up. Sir, I'm not able to construction because your cost and everything very high. So money is over. Sorry, sir, I'm unable to construct the building. I constructed only 9 floors only. Now carefully observe. Sir, I'm given plan 10 floors, but Sunny is completed 9 floors. Sir, what it is? Fully implemented, partially. Partially implemented. Partially implementation. But to see Hyderabad is fully implemented. So plan is given, interface. So interface never talks about implementation, only declaration. Who is implemented? Child classes. So here two persons are there, Sunny and Bunny. Sunny started construction in the Bangalore. Bunny started in Hyderabad. Bunny completed all the 10% handover the building. That is called as fully implemented class. Concrete class. In Sunny Bangalore, half of implementation partial. So this type of partial implementation class is nothing but a abstract class. Fully implemented class is nothing but a concrete class. Are you getting thoda? I will give examples also. Present theory. Next I will let a program and I will give full clarity. Present thoda understand. Okay. What is interface? Interface never talks about implementation, only declaration, just like SRS and DRS. Just like our course content. So course content implemented by me and Ravikant. Suppose I am completed all the 100% course content, each and every topic. That is called as fully implemented. Suppose he is completed 90% or 99%. That is called as full implementation. So partially implemented classes are called as abstract classes. Fully implemented class is called as concrete class because child class is responsible to implement the interface methods. Class is the responsible to implement the interface method. Interface only declaration is available. So that is the basic small example how it is implemented in the practically. How it is implemented to the practical. See here now. Interface. Interface. If we don't know anything about implementation, just we have requirement specifications, then we should go for interface. Example, I will give small example. See here. So suppose I am taking one interface. Interface is the person. Person means, sir, anyone will come. Person will come student. Person will come trainer. Person is employee. Anyone. Sir, generally person what to do? Person will drink and eat. So public void drink and eat. Because every person, what he will drink, what he will eat, we don't know. Based on the type of person. Public void var. So there are two methods I declared. I am not implemented anything. That's why it is called as an interface. Because, sir, person what they will drink, what they will eat, I don't know. Based on the person, student will eat different, employee will different, software engineer is different. Like that, based on the type of person, we will decide. Observe carefully. Sir, why I am telling this means, what is a web driver? Web driver is a one interface. Interface means only methods declaration. Who is implemented? So the implemented classes, these are Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Opera driver, Safari driver. So from the Java program, if you want to launch any browser, like open URL to exit test cases, the required methods are defined in web driver interface. Interface never contains implementation. Hence, it is not possible to create object for interface. Interface should be implemented by classes. So that's why interface object is not possible. Carefully observe. If anybody asking, is it possible to create object for interface? Means no, no chance. Second example. Suppose by using Java program, if we want to launch the browser, like I want to open URL, because I want to open an URL, I want to execute the test cases. The required methods are defined in WebDriver interface. Yes or no? Na? See here, I will show directly. I'm showing na WebDriver interface declaring the methods, but interface never contains implementation. They don't implementation. Only declaration is there. Interface never contains implementation. Hence, it is not possible to create an object for interface. If it is a class, happily you can create object and call the methods, but WebDriver is an interface. Interface never contains. If we try to create object to interface, it will give left and right. But what to do? Interface should be implemented by classes. See here they are telling directly, they are telling here, observe carefully. Driver is one interface. WebDriver contain 13 classes. Who is the non-implemented classes? Chrome drive, our Chrome browser, Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, Opera driver, Safari driver. So they're all the browsers classes. See, here all known implemented child classes. Getting it? Small concept. So interface contains only method declaration. Interface does not contain any implementation. Child class is the responsible to handle that interfaces. That's why it is not possible to create object to the interface. Okay, guys. Now that's why interface object not possible. What is the abstract class? Next important concept. Abstract class means, sir, if the child class is if you're taking about implementation, but not completely. A child class is ready to implement it. Just I'm telling now. Sunny ready to implement my plan, but half of construction completed, he hands up. He's not completed my building. That's why if we are talking about implementation, but not completely. Child class means I will tell, wait, Sarupa, I will execute within the program, parent and child class and all those things. Child class is nothing but see, what web driver interface. Who is implemented classes? These are all the child classes. These classes, from these classes, those are called as implemented classes. At the time of inheritance, you will get what is the child class, what is the parent class. Okay, implemented classes are responsible to these methods. Now I will give clarity with the program. So if you are taking about implementation, but not completely, partial implementation. Yeah, Suresh, any doubt? Partial implementation. Such a type of implemented classes. I'm giving notes, I'm typing now. Giving in the chat panel every day. Such a type of implemented classes are called as abstract classes. Sir, is it possible to create object for the abstract class? Anyone? Abstract class means half of implementation. Suppose, sir, abstract means interface contains how many methods? Two methods. Public void drink and eat. Suppose one class wants to try to implement the method. Okay, one wants to implement it. No chance. So that's why, sir, for the abstract classes also don't tell. Some guys they are telling, some guys are telling, sir, abstract class means some of the best simplification possible. No. Don't tell that one. It is not possible. And object abstract classes. Because the implementation is not completed. Because the implementation is not completed server. Suppose a person who is implemented only one method only, class is called as an abstract class. So object creation is not at all possible to the abstract classes. The present take these notes. Whatever I'm given notes now in chat panel and typing, take these notes for just your daily reference purpose. Next, what is a concrete class? Concrete class is nothing but a fully implemented. Two methods should be implemented by here. That type of class is concrete class. If we are talking about implementation completely and ready to provide services, then we should go for concrete class. Happily, you can create object. Sir, why abstract class is object not possible means observe. Sir, in Hyderabad, if anybody is staying in Hyderabad, metro is going on there. In Hyderabad, metro work is going on there. So whenever Hyderabad to Charminar, complete work is not completed. Still, it is under construction only. So 90 pillars are completed. One or two are not completed. One or two stations are pending. Can I start that? Train is nothing but object. There are already 99 pillars completed. One pillar only pending. No problem. We can start that train like that. Is it possible? No chance. Train is object. When all that tracks stations are completed, then I can start that train. Otherwise, no chance. So, sir, that's why abstract classes object creation is not possible. Sir, in one word answers I will tell, remember. Interface, abstract class, concrete class. Sir, interface means no implementation. Abstract class means partial implementation. Concrete class means full implementation. That's the theory part. Sir, up to theory part, okay, everyone? Up to your theoretical unit. I will write the program, I will give full clarity. Interface means don't know anything about implementation, only declaration is available. I go for interface. Abstract class means partially implemented classes. Who is implemented? Some of the method that is called as abstract class. Fully implemented classes. The class which is implemented all the method that is called as a fully implemented. So now example. So go to the C drive eclipse.exe. Sir, our workspace is 4th September. Click on launch. The Eclipse is opened. So now, no, I will give Google Drive link. I will only share session. I will give the Google Drive link to access the materials. Here, under Java, yeah, I will resolve it to show a problem. So now, under Core Java, observe first creating interface. How to right click, go to new. It is not class, it is an interface. I means interfacer. C means normal class. A means abstract class. Sorry, interface. What is the interface name? Person. Finish. Sir, person is a one interface. Sir, generally every person will do drink and eat. Public void is the return type. Drink and eat method. Because every person normally they will drink, they will eat. But what they will drink, I don't know. Public void. Every person do some work. Completed. Save it. Sir, is it interface or not? Everyone. Because what is the method implementation? I don't know. Only declaration I know. Implementation I don't know. Who are interested? The coming classes they can implement these methods. Sir, person means maybe software engineer. He is one person. Maybe like just like you students. That is also. Now I want to take a class. Right click. Observe carefully here only. Now see Swarupa, what is the child class? New class. What is the class? Suppose I'm taking as a software engineer. Software engineer wants to implement those methods. The interface means how to get it, implements the keyword. So if it is inheritance, extensor. But I want to implement those methods. Which methods? Person methods. See, software engineer is a one class who want to implement those because present they are declared two methods. Now they want to implement that code. Sir, how many methods are there? Two methods are there. Public void eat and drink and eat, drink and eat and eat method. Now he wants to write gas. Sir, second public work error nothing because he wants to implement two methods. The class is the software engineer. Suppose implemented only one method, then it is abstract class. What it is asking? Oi, make it as once it is abstract class, right, it will go left and right. Implementing both, so both methods. Sir, engineers, maybe in your class any software engineer is there. What they eat and what they drink. Software engineer, because Monday to Friday they are working. Monday they are enjoying. So what they drink and what they eat, simply drink beer and eat biryani. Yes, generally every software engineer doing this only. Monday to Friday office. Saturday, Sunday only this one. What they work, says not out that println. The work is coding and testing. That is a software engineer. That is I'm telling now, sir. Every person what they do, I don't know. But software engineer implemented method drink and eat. He is telling I drink beer and eat biryani. My work is coding and testing. This is one child class, software engineer, Swarupa. The class which is implemented the methods, They are called as implemented classes. Suppose, sir, tomorrow if I am taking as another class, maybe same just I'm given a one plan I'm given to Sunny and Panni, Bangalore and Chennai. This time the class is Amirpet student. Sir, software engineer implemented those two methods, their own implementation. Now Amirpet student want to implement the methods. What is the name? Parts. Sir, what is the methods? Public, void, drink and eat. First, public, void, work. So only methods declarative. Now these people are implementing those methods. Sir, see, based on software engineer, he will drink beer and eat biryani. But Amirpet student means they came for the classes only. They don't have that much money. What they eat? Because yes, Amirpet student, his implementation is own. Eat those, yeah, and drink water. Because his maintenance, hostel fees, this, that, everything is there. Na? Daily he coming classes and what they will eat those? He will eat those and drink water. See, interface method is same only. Drink and eat. Software engineer, what they drink beer and eat biryani. Amirpet student eat those and drink water. That is I'm telling. Sir, based on the type of class, their own implementations, no problem. Sir, what is the work of the student? Generally, what work of student? They come to the class and happily sleep in class. Now also, morning 8 o'clock I am taking class now. Happily students are coming. Usually they are sleeping in the classroom because no one will disturb in the classroom. That's why they come to the class, sit into the last bench, and happily they are sleeping. See here, two methods are there. So software engineer and Amirpet student. Both classes are concrete classes only because both are implemented child classes. So this is called as interface and child class. Now I want to create another class. Right click, go to the new, click on your class. Test public static void. Observe carefully. Sir, I want to call the software engineer. Software engineer, how to call? Software engineer class is a concrete class or abstract class? Concrete class. So this method if it means happily you can create object new engineer object. Happily you can create object to the software engineer. Why error? Import is required maybe. Sir, where is the software engineer? Spelling everything correct only. Software engineer. Yes. Software engineer object is created. Now my requirement is, sir, go to the P1 person 1. Sir, person 1 belongs to which one? The interface name person 1. So happily you can call P1 dot C drink and eat. p1 dot work. Suppose I want to create Amirpet student, new Amirpet student. Yes, give Q2 person 2. But what is the name of interface? Person. So if I'm calling P2, which method is getting? Indeed. P2 dot work. Now save program. See here, observe carefully. Software engine is a one class, implemented interface methods, Amirpet student implemented methods. If you want to call corresponding methods, you can use that. See, drink beer and eat biryani. That is software engineer method. Coding and testing, software engineer method. Amirpet student, eat dosa and drink water. Come to classes and happily sleep in the classroom. See, your concept, simple concept. Person is a one interface. This interface contains two methods, only declaration. These methods are implemented by software engineer and Amirpet student. If you want to, which method you want to require, that class object you can create. P1, P2 belongs to person only. Person is the interface. Person is the interface, yes. So do you know why I'm telling all these nonsense, this story? Now we can come to our concept slowly. Sir, WebDriver is a, what is a WebDriver? Please respond. What is the WebDriver? Interface. Yes or no? Yes. Slowly you can respond. I'm connecting to up to know whatever key I'm telling and our concept. Sir, WebDriver is a interface. Sir, WebDriver contains 13 commands. Public means it is access modifier. Anywhere we can use those things. That's why it is a public. Void means it is the method does not return anything. That's why it is a void. Sir, WebDriver contains some commands. Select command. Navigate. Manage. Like how many commands are there? 13. 13. Sir, is it possible to create object to the interface? Please respond. To create interface? No. Methods, get method, quit method, navigate method, manage. Sai and everyone. How can I call these methods? The implemented, what are the implemented classes? Chrome driver, Firefox driver. So, is it possible to create object to the child classes? Firefox driver, Chrome driver, IE driver. Can I create object for the child classes? Yes or no? Yes. Just now what I'm telling. Person is an interface. Software engineer and Amirpet students are the child classes. You can create object to that classes only. Same concept here also. Now you're looking at diagram check here, sir. Generally, everyone not telling this much story. If you want to launch a browser, observe. They will write this command. Simple. Simple. What they are telling, I will tell. If you want to launch the Firefox means what they are telling is new Firefox driver. Simple statement. Observe one second. If you want to launch browser means what their answer is, the answer is new Firefox driver. Create object, give one reference variable. The variable is driver. What is the type of web driver? Sir, why I'm creating all these means to launch the browser. This is the command they are telling. To launch the file. No, not that. Now, based on my explanation, you will get some clarity. Observe. Sir, page is open. Wait some time. Observe carefully. Your only concept. Sir, if you are getting this one, next in our interview room, anybody asking, you are in a position to understand that. But this is wrong statement, sir. Statement is correct only. But why this statement means don't tell this answer. Maximum student they're telling to launch the Firefox, we are using this command. No. Now see, you will get a third clarity. Observe. Sir, observe. WebDriver is one of the interface. It contains all the methods, get, quit, to close, those 13 methods. Sir, who are the classes implemented? Firefox driver implemented WebDriver methods. Chrome driver implemented WebDriver methods. Internet Explorer. I am not telling directly. Telling, see, all known implemented classes: Chrome driver, Edge driver, Firefox, Internet. So now these classes are implemented. Happily, you can create new Firefox driver variable. What is the parent interface? WebDriver. New Chrome driver, WebDriver, new Internet. So which browser you want to launch? Create corresponding object to that class. Not only driver here, any name you can give, WebDriver. So, sir, when asking this question, don't tell this answer, nonsense answer. This is the simple you can tell. Babu, Firefox driver is a one class which is implemented WebDriver methods. I want to use these methods. That's why I'm creating object to my child class. Driver is a reference variable. This is the parent interface. Like that you can tell. Don't tell to launch the Firefox. We can use that command means it is very, very wrong. Okay, launching purpose only. But what is internal meaning? Firefox driver is a one child class driver method. See, is it matching? Software engineer implemented methods. Which class method you want? Create the object. Software engineer. New Amirpet student. Here also in my diagram, new Chrome driver, new Firefox driver, new Internet Explorer driver. So implemented classes, object creating, reference variable I'm taking, parent interface. I'm telling this much story about interface and all those. Now matches. Thoda. Why we are object to that Firefox driver and all those things. See our program example and this example diagram. WebDriver one interface. WebDriver contains these methods. These are all the child classes implemented those methods. So which class methods I want? I am creating object to that one. And one reference variable I am taking and interface name. Same example I am given here also. Software engineer is a one child class who is implemented person methods. P1 is the reference variable. With the P1 I am calling the methods. Methods are same, but implementation is the different. Amirpet student. Where is the constructor? Shrutika, where is the constructor? Am I using any constructor here? Just a method declaration, it is not a constructor. What is it about? Constructors are not there in the interfaces. Which question, Shrutika? Oh, why constructors are allowed in abstract and not in interface? That is the question. Yeah, Shrutika. Interface means observe. It don't know anything, no implementation. but constructor means implementation is there. In one example, I mean constructor na. What is the purpose of constructor? It is initializing the elements. So 1 second. Whenever constructor means whenever object is created, constructor will be executed. Interfaces objectation is possible? No. Then how you can execute that constructor, Shrutika? No chance. That's why we never implemented in the interface constructor. Here I am implementation is there. Shrutika, implementation is there. But interface means just now what I am telling. Interface never talk about implementation. Then why we need to implement it? When constructor will execute it, as I am given differences. Whenever object is created, then only constructor will be executed. Alright, for the interface is no object creation, then how constructor will be executed? That's why no chance. Yeah. So that is in abstract class also 90% we never. Only in the concrete classes only, Pravina. Yes, because for the concrete class, I am creating object now. That's why constructor will be executed automatically. So that is a small story about interface, abstract class, and concrete class story. Once you're getting clarity about these three, then I will tell the WebDriver programs from tomorrow onwards. So today, concentrate this. What is the interface? What is the abstract class? What is the concrete class? Okay, whatever the implemented in that one. What meaning? Firefox driver is a one implemented WebDriver interface methods that's to call this corresponding class method. Driver is a one difference variable, WebDriver is interface. Or again we will see at the time of WebDriver start program I will explain. Sir, here some guys are still they are not registered like Aishwarya, Shrutika. Please you can also register from tomorrow onwards. New link they you will get it. Yeah, Java compulsory. Without Java, how you can write the program, Sarupa? Java should be there in the machine compulsory. So tomorrow you will get the new link. Who are not registered today, you can register itself. Aishwarya, Shrutika, Sharath, some more guys are there. Okay, na? Available, Sakshi. This is available. But I will give all the recordings. Okay, full with the clarity, examples, videos are there. I will give the access. So tomorrow onwards, WebDriver programs will be started. So you need to practice from tomorrow onwards, compulsory. Again tomorrow, first WebDriver programs, WebDriver commands, I will do the list. After that, we will start our programs. Okay. Thank you.